This is Dr. Fletcher. So, I'm at the office today helping out a patient in need. They have a denture that they broke and it needs to be fixed. So they dropped it off and I cleaned it yesterday and let it sit for a few hours in our special cleaning fluid. And now I am getting to repair it for the patient and return it to them tomorrow. So if you have any friends that have some dentures that are starting to break, if they're simple, I can just do them. And if they're more complicated, we can try to work with the procedures that we need to get those done for you. So trying to help out people as much as we can during this time. Okay, take care. Be safe.